Have you received a special link from your Barloworld equipment parts sales representative for a pre-built cart on parts.cat.com? This means we've done the groundwork for you, selecting the exact cat parts you need. This video will show you how easy it is to complete your order. First, simply click on the link provided in the email. This will take you directly to your pre-populated shopping cart on parts.cat.com. Now, you have a few options to proceed. If you already have an account on parts.cat.com, simply sign in. If you're new to parts.cat.com, you can easily register for a new profile. Just click on the Sign In option and follow the simple registration steps. Don't want to register right now? No problem. You can also check out as a guest. Once you're signed in or have chosen to check out as a guest, take a moment to review the items in your cart to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click on the Proceed to Checkout button to continue. For the best experience on parts.cat.com, we recommend signing in to your profile or creating one. This allows you to access your order history, saved addresses, and other helpful features. If you don't yet have a parts account linked to your online profile, or if you need assistance creating a free cash account, reach out to your parts sales representative. They'll be happy to help. With a pre-built cart feature, your parts sales rep does half the work, making it even easier for you to get the genuine cat parts you need. Start saving time and effort today with parts.cat.com.